Hey there. Thanks for watching my Drex review by Billy Darr, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page and show you the demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Drex review is based on my honest opinion of logging into this platform myself. I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Drex promises us. Unlock the hottest traffic sources for 2022 in one click. The world's first 2-in-1 real app gets you autopilot free viral traffic in 30 seconds flat, even if you're a beginner with zero tech skills and zero experience. On the right, they give us their big bold claims as usual, and there's a 3-step process. Step 1, you're going to grab a copy. Step 2, you're going to select a viral traffic template and enter any link of your choice. Step 3, you're going to enjoy the unlimited free traffic in as little as 30 seconds. So let's take a look inside. Here we are on the Drex Dashboard, and I know I have seen this before. And if we take a look at this Omega review that I did back in August, you can see that there were already 5 different products out that looked and did exactly the same thing as this one. Second one is Aura, Viper, and then Vertex, which was actually a Moshbari product. But all of these have been out before, and he started releasing these in April of 2021. So there's nothing new for 2022 in this platform. The first thing we always want to do is take a look at the training. Unfortunately, the day before launch, there is no training in there. But since I've seen this so many times, I'm pretty sure we can figure this out. They do give you market offers. This is so you can choose affiliate products from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or ClickBank. All this does is give you the name of the product, the date it was released, and then you can either look at the sales page or you can request affiliate approval. With JVZoo and Warrior Plus, it is often very hard for newbies to get affiliate approval, and you will have to wait if you ever even get approved. ClickBank is here because there is very rarely a wait for affiliate approval, and there is also another platform called Digistore24 out now, and I will link that playlist above. There is rarely a wait for affiliate approval for the products on that either. Once you get your affiliate link, they are giving you a link cloaking device. They give you Bitly and Rebrandly, both of which you can do a Google search and access for free. Then you would want to make a reel or a video for that affiliate product. Drex gives you the option to do Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels. If we take a look at Instagram, they actually don't have any templates in there right now. So if we go back and look at Facebook Reels, this is the same video editor that Billy Darr has had in all of his products since April of last year. And you can see on the Omega video, it is the same templates. So again, that's nothing new. If you try to download this, it just disappears. The only way you can get a Billy Darr product to work properly is if you go into your Google settings and actually allow pop-ups. That is the only way that you can get one of these to actually save. Now, I have done that for this product, and I did make a reel. Now, if we look at the status on the right here, the only one completed is the one I made, where I knew I had to change my Google settings to be able to download this. Now, when I made that, all I did was go in here and delete some stuff and add some stuff. As far as whether this works or not, it seems to be just fine. It's not great. It's not wonderful. And if you stick with me until we get to the problems, I'll actually show you how to do this for free. Now, since I was able to save this, this is what popped up. But from the dashboard, there is no way to get to the videos that you've already made. Once you make that video, then they're giving you a way to get this in front of people or your traffic. You can connect your social accounts, which is your current existing Facebook login. If you don't have a following on Facebook that knows you are an affiliate marketer and that you sell products and they want to buy those products from you, this list is not going to get you any extra eyes on your page or traffic coming to it. With your Facebook Connect, they do give you the option to post multimedia, CTA, and carousel or video just like you can in Facebook, so you don't need Drex for that. They are giving you the option to automate your comments and replies on Facebook. I highly suggest you do not do that, especially as a beginner affiliate marketer. Your comments and your replies should be genuine and come from you. It is also information that can inform your content, and you can build content around that for your customers because you know what they want. Same thing with Instagram. If you want to connect that, you would just import here. Your tools are things you can already do in Instagram. And again, the automation, which I highly do not recommend. You can also connect a messenger bot, and they also give you email marketing as another option for traffic. If we look, we can see the same typos that we see in all of Billy Darr's products since last April. So that really shows that he just copies and pastes these and puts these all together, changes the colors, and then sells them again. You will need an autoresponder with an API to connect here for this to work. And even though they give you an option to set up a sequence campaign, they don't give you any training on why or how to do that. We also have the SMS marketing. Again, you will need an API to connect here if you don't already have one, with the same functions as setting up templates and campaigns. So now that we've been through Drex, what is the strategy? Drex wants you to pick a product and build an Instagram or Facebook reel to sell that product, and then send out to your current existing lists on Facebook, Instagram, or email, or SMS marketing. There is no new traffic coming your way. These are your current existing lists. So what are my problems with Drex? Well, this is the same product that he just releases over and over again, and with some of the same glitches. If you want to use the email marketing and the SMS marketing, you will need to have an autoresponder or an SMS API for this to work properly. And if you don't already have those, that would be an extra expense that you aren't already paying for. And if you also want to know how to do this for free, if we look at canva.com, it is free. If we just type in Reels, which I did earlier today because I wasn't sure if Canva did Reels, they do have Instagram Reel videos. They have plenty of templates for you to choose from. If there is a charge in this platform, you will be notified. It will have a little crown or some information on the left-hand side here. But so far, all of these I'm looking, there is a paid option as well. But there's a ton to choose from. And if you don't know what you're looking for, you can get some ideas and then kind of make your own if you want to. If you need any help with Canva, they do have a YouTube channel with plenty of training videos. And all of that would be free, instead of spending your $17 on Drex. Let's take a look at the pricing. On the front end, Drex is $17. Here, you see the normal Billy Darr funnel, which is going to run you $528. I did find some alternate pricing that came to $470. So I'm not sure whether this is going to run you $470 or $528. For a product they told you is going to unlock the hottest traffic sources for 2022. He's been selling this since April of 2021. That's almost a year now. The only traffic sources you have are your current existing lists. So that is not going to get you any new traffic to your offer. I'll leave it up to you if you want to waste your time, money, and energy on Drex. Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I hope this Drex review answered all of your questions. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.